Nearly there. Is that a thumbs up?
Oh, cool. What else do you need?
Snacks up. All set up.
Yeah.
We're here for a couple of days, so we've got the Duplo out. Got the mat. Got all the space.
Big site.
Big site.
11 by 10 metres.
Boyd's already on the cuppa.
Yes.
Not the beer.
What is it?
Too early for beer.
Not back home.
So here we go, guys. Morning, hello cutie. Morning teaser. Oh, Lincoln's gonna get it.
Stuck into it, Link.
Lincoln.
Where's my number 7? Where's my number 7?
That's not yours. That's not yours.
Where's my number? Where's my We can have watermelon. No.
What are you doing? It's not even this box. You're in a tiny box.
I'm gonna get in the big box.
Oh, you're in the needle box. Are you going to sleep? You're not going to sleep. Trying to get this one to have a nap, but no good. First day of not driving for 5 hours and he won't nap for us anymore. Success. Woo. There are so many cool little rock pools in here and they're all really clean. They're not sludgy. Thanks, babe. Look at this! Look! 10! There is this super cool little beach in here. So we're gonna make our way over there. We walked from like 2 loops that way, all the way here to find this cool little hidden beach in here. How cool! Oh wow! How cool! On a sunny, warm day, and Teddy's just adventured up another cliff. This would be the place to be out this way. This is cool. Oh, another bloody rock pool.
Yeah, it wouldn't be much though, just be from. Birds know where to get their food, obviously.
Yeah. I think this is the edge of them. How cool.
No, we'll definitely come back to that little beach tomorrow, I reckon.
It's going to be just as cold.
Oh, we need to come back on a hot day.
I can run fast enough to get you.
How you feeling?
Yes. Seedier than a loaf of multigrain. Get out of it.
We are just gonna walk down and check out this Hopetown Beach. Hopetown Beach. The kids are asleep in the car and they don't want to come, so we're just gonna quickly walk our feet. And then Hopetown actually has like its own jumping pillow and a pretty cool playground right next to the bakery, so we're gonna get some bakery for lunch.
Liven up a bit, some coffee.
Oh, it's a bit seedy today.
Yes.
And yeah, just explore here and then do the drive back and get ready for the footer ball. Do you want to go on the jumping pillow?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, he's found another one on the other side. This looks cool too. How cool. Just a jumping pillow in the middle of town. You can do it.
Help me.
Help you, yeah. I don't think I can reach you from this one. Might have to wait for Dad.
I'll show you how to. Guys are ready
Alright, watch these.
Mommy wants from bowling, so she goes there.
Start off and cut yourself with.
Hollywood's in the black and white.
What sort of shape is that?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
We're going to the candy shop.
The candy shop.
Yeah. I mean, no. We're going to the lollipop. Look at our candy. Look at that candy. I love the lollipop. Actually, look at that.
Yeah.
On the rainbow one.
A rainbow lollipop.
Yeah. Candy shop.
Cool, isn't it?
There's so many pieces. Strawberry. This one's strawberry. This one's rainbow flavor.
What are you going to get,
I
Dad?
don't know, I haven't looked yet. It's been a while since I've seen zombie shoes.
Zombie shoes. Oh, yeah.
Fizzes.
I don't like fizzes.
Oh, yeah?
Blech.
I love the rainbow lollipop.
Is that your choice?
I'm the rainbow lollipop.
All right. Go pass it to Dad. Go pass it to Dad.
What do we got? There your choices, are they? Alright.
I love.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go. You can have it back now.
Yay!
That is a big one.
Yeah. What's happening here?
Cheapest fuel we've had in ages. Under $2.
What was it? A 255 just down the road?
Ravens thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, 230.
Yeah.
Yeah, bit of a breath of fresh air.
What have you rigged up
It
here?
was your idea.
It was. It's just funny to see it.
Why the f wasn't this van built with like just like every other van has got 2 holes there that you can just straight in.
You just want some extra holes to go straight in. No, this is our potential concoction.
Hey, it's not stupid if it works.
Yeah. Let's just wait and see. Look, let's see. There's the water. There's the water. You can. Oh, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's just there. So we'll see if the water's empty in 5, 10, 15, 3 hours. What are you doing now?
Trying to create flow. Like if it starts, maybe it will just keep going. Alright, let's see how this contraption's working. Oh, Jesus. So she's gone in, but got about half a jerry left, so I don't know what the hell's going on. It sort of half works. We've got 10 litres extra in the tank.
I got it.
Impressive sign. Probably the best we've seen so far.
You can.
I know. I am. I'm gonna get to the
We're the only ones here, my love. This is going to be fun. Tapping pillow here, game room inside. Let's go. Why don't we watch it from the other side? Ready? Wow!
2,000 years later.
My turn. See if I can go really fast and control it. We were gonna hike up that, but she's a bit burnt and closed.
No good.
So no good for that today.
Just need to find somewhere to walk out here.
I don't know. It's the only one that's not in a national park. How you going, Teddy Bear? Good. Good?
Yeah.
So it's Vancouver Beach, so we've tried a few other ones. What's the last one? Point Possession that we just tried.
Yeah.
And yeah, the trail was closed off because they'd recently had a fire go through there by the looks of it. What was it? Good Beach as well, but there was like
Hang
bugger all
on,
sand
we
there.
need to go to the toilet.
As I was saying. So yeah, we went around to Good Beach before as well. And there was what, probably 2 meters worth of sand to walk on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we've come around here to Vancouver Beach. Yeah, there's a bit of a driving trail that you can take in, but I couldn't be bothered airing down, so it looked a bit boggy and a bit thin.
And there were some tree trunks that definitely would have scratched the side of the car.
So no, this is a cool little spot here. Give Alfie a bit of a run because we want to go check out the Gap Skywalk. So we'll probably have, it's not too hot today, so I feel pretty comfortable leaving him in the car.
Yeah, as long as he's burnt some energy, he can stay in the car. And it's the car park looks like it's right next to the lookout, so we'll assess on arrival.
Yeah, worst comes to worst, we'll just chuck the drone up and
Suss it through the camera.
from the car park.
Honestly, this beach, I don't know what it's like to swim in, but it's cool to climb on or walk along the ankle deep water.
Right, so yeah, all of this is closed off. So these are all the trails that we sort of wanted to do, but yeah, they're either closed for construction or closed off because fires and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, so I mean,
like it's been pretty disappointing that we haven't got to do some of the walks that we've wanted to do, but I guess this makes it a lot easier to cop on the chin.
yeah, so we just don't have a choice to not do them, and most of them are national park, and most of them you have to pay. So I would be so disappointed if we paid a national park fee and everything's freaking closed. So I'm really glad we haven't paid for anything. We decided not to do the whaling station because it was going to cost us like 90 bucks. So we're all about, that's the whaling station there.
Yeah.
We're all about trying to make this as low cost as possible.
And I think I might just go straight off there. I shouldn't joke about that. No, we're gonna head to Wilson's Brewery, I think.
Yeah.
And go grab some lunch and
maybe go for a quick walk along these rocks. Burn out a little bit more energy from these kids.
Why not?
Not the hike we wanted, but it'll be something. Huh?
I still can't get over the colour of the water here.
The colour?
I can't get over like the colour of the water here.
Yeah, it's like turquoise.
I just saw that earlier.
You made it!
Follow me.
Follow you? Where are you going? Oh, fancy seeing you here.
Look at the cataract.
Yeah, okay, darling. Yeah, okay. You're dancing.
Get it. Got it. Get it.
What? Keys.
Ah.
You dancing?
Jeez.
I don't like burger.
Boogers?
You don't like boogers?
Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Beetroot buns or something.
Yeah.
Mm.
Good?
Very good.
Good, Teddy?
Yep, good.
Good, Linky?
Yes.
And Alfie on the cleanup.
Yes.
Good voiceover stuff. There's a driver.
That's what you're gonna call it?
You alright, mate?
What are we off the road?
Home sweet home.
Welcome home. Good swing? Good swing?
What's going on here? Looks like a gypsy shack.
Some people come to caravan parks to relax. We come to do 17 million loads of washing.
What'd you say? Back up to date with the washing in first time in about a month, do you reckon?
Yeah, if not more.
Yeah.
Because Venus Day we didn't really do much because we didn't have access to like water all the time. So
Yeah. So I think we're get this done and then thinking what, walk down to Amy Point? Just for a casual little stroll down to the playground and then, I don't know, what's the beach called that we're going to go to?
that's if we get in the car and drive.
Yeah,
I don't know,
otherwise,
we
yeah.
haven't really decided.
Or we could just come back here and kids can have a run around in the water park and stuff.
It's the first like warm day to use the water park, so
Yeah.
we're paying to be here. So.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, one more night here and then off to Margaret River.
Up to a week and a half in Margaret River.
You beauty.
Exciting.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future adventures. Catch you next time.
But hope you liked this video. Watch it. Don't forget to subscribe.
No.
Oh.